everybody and welcome to day 4 of our phonics sessions. Let's go. Bounce your sounds 3 times. Fantastic. Well done everybody, keep going. Can you go any faster? Fantastic. Let's find out what our new sound is today. My turn, your turn. Feet. Meat. Jeep. Feet. Meat. Jeep. Spooky voice today. Feet. Meat. Jeep. Meat. Feet. Jeep. Oh, does anybody have any ideas of what that sound might be? I think you might have it. Let's keep going and find out. Have you brought your phoneme fingers? Have you brought your phoneme fingers? Yes, we have. Yes, we have. My word is weak. First sound. Second sound. Third sound. What have you been doing this week? My word is deep. First sound. Second sound, third sound. Fantastic. My word is sheep. First sound, second sound, third sound. Who's ready for a year 2 word? The word is weeping. Weeping. First sound, second sound, third sound, fourth sound, fifth sound. Weeping. Fantastic. Try one on your own now. The word is weekend. Weekend. Do it on your phoneme fingers. You might need 2 hands today. Weekend. Are you ready to see if you got it right? W-E-K-E-N-D. Weekend. Did you get 6? Shine your halo this morning. Fantastic. Well done, guys. I'm going to be a robot. You are going to be a blender. D-eep. Eat. I went for a walk down the street. Fantastic. Speech. Speech. I gave you that one by accident. Well done, guys. Week. B-E. Can you show me your bumblebee? Bzzz. Amazing. Well done. Tricky one now. K-eep. I-ng. Well done, everybody. Now it's your turn to be a robot. Are you ready? Your word is deep. Your word is Jeep. Well done. Your word is keeping. You're getting super good at these. One more, ready? 16. My brother is 16. Well done. Let's see if you got that right. You ready? 16. 16. Fantastic. Have you got any ideas what this sound might be? I think you have. It's the E sound. Well done. My turn, your turn. Diagraph. Diagraph. E. 2 letters make 1 sound today. The E sound. Fantastic. In the air. To the side. To this side. Down. In my way. E. Well done. We're going to read some words that have the E sound in them now. When we read, what do? We fantastic, you're right. We look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Let's go. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Fantastic. Well done, good sounding today, everybody. Can you look at your feet? Your feet? Yes, you can. Great job, everybody. Last word today. Fantastic. Can you drive your Jeep? Oh, I can see you driving this morning. Okay, now it's time for writing with the E sound today. Get your pen and your paper ready. Miss Hulstrom's got her whiteboard and her pen so that I can show you the answers once you have written them. When we write, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word, finger the word, and then you write the word. Okay, your words today are, your first word is week. What day of the week is it today? Your word is week. Can you week. You can do this one, I know you can. Try your hardest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you spell it just like me? Week. Round of applause if you did. Fantastic. Your next word is sheep. At the farm, you will find a sheep. Finger it. Write it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it has the sh sound in it, an S and a H. Sheep. Sheep. Amazing. One more word today. Are you ready? The word is keeping. I hope you are keeping safe. The word is keeping. Write it. Keeping. This is a very tricky word right here. I know you can do it. Keep him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep him with a kicking curve this morning. Keep him. Fantastic, everybody. That's the end of our phonics today. Your challenge today is, can you write a sentence that has a word with the E sound in it? Have a go. Try your best. See you tomorrow.